Okay, guys, so after playing with Jungo over and over and over again for my chat team to be able to set up their holiday mass emails, I think I have figured this issue out about sorting your email list and being able to pull out just your contacts. So what I did was, first, I just want you guys to know where this came from. You can tell me, like, you can let me know if this works for you. But I talked to Liz, and she said Jane Lambert was one of her realtors that she works with. And so I was trying to think of all this information because most people there, it's under account name and it'll say like Liz Castille's database for so many of you guys on your account. So, but that didn't say that on here. So I definitely don't want to pull from Sean's, or I definitely don't want to leave this realtor off of Liz's list if it's one of her actual, she owns this contact. So it would not let me do it under contact owner. I do not know why that's not in there. It says owner alias, but when I put in Liz's name, it did not pull it. So I scrolled down here to see what else we could use, and somewhere it says assigned loan officer Liz Castile. So that's what I'm using to base your list off of. You guys let me know if this works or not. So first, just like yesterday, I was showing you guys on the other video, you'll switch to classic, and this is how you're going to make your mass email list, okay? And then you scroll down to mass email, and I've already like arranged this, but you'll do create a new view, and I can show you from there, but it's just going to make the same exact list. So I'm put Liz Castille's mass email list. I'm going to put 2. It's the same one she has before, but I already created this. So then, like I said, under your field, you're going to choose contact and then find assigned loan officer equals, and then put your name in here. So obviously I'm going to put Liz's name, Liz Castile, and then that's all we are dividing, like pulling them out by right now. If you need to put in more fields to say like just realtors, just these people, then you can do that as well. There's always like fields for that. Like I think if it says profession or just people who work for a certain company, like you can go by any of these other fields and it's like a mile long. Like you can choose any of these, okay? And then if you're wanting it to match that specific one, you just do equals and then you put their name in there. And then you put like realtor or client or lead, something like that. So anyways, after you've picked out all those fields that you want to pull out onto your list, you just pick save, and then it pulls out your list right here. And as I said yesterday, you're going to go, if you want to send out a Thanksgiving email, you'll just go to next and look at all of these beautiful templates right here. They're beautiful. Choose any one you want for any of the holidays. You can actually create your own for things like Veterans Day that just passed. And you can run a report on all those that were just VA loans and then pull out your veterans. So that's another option. But anyways, just choose whichever Thanksgiving one that you want. Click on it. Go to next. And then you can put Happy Turkey Day or something like that from Liz Castile. Then here, obviously, please, please, please do not forget this part. This is one of the most important things you can do is you can go ahead and push send without putting the right date, and that is not smart. So make sure you do that, right date in there, or if you don't put in 11/28 or whatever day the holiday is, and you push send, it will send them out right now, and then you'll just look goofy. And I may or may have not done that before. I'm just going to keep that to myself. So anyways, obviously you're going to look for Eastern Standard Time. Why do I feel like some of these are wrong? Eastern European, well, that would be why. Okay, it was probably right on it. There we go. We'll go with America and New York. And then you just go to send. I'm going to let Liz choose her own Thanksgiving email that she wants to send out, but that is how you do it, folks. And if you do have any questions, let me know. But that should, dividing it out by the contact assigned loan officer for now. If you guys are all organizing yours the same way, that should be a way that you can pull out just your contacts. So like I said, holler at me if you have any questions, and I'm always here for you if you need me. All right. Thanks, chat team. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll be in touch with you until then. If you need any further assistance setting up this, let me know. I can go in there and try to set up your email list too, and make sure you have holiday emails ready to be sent out. I don't want anybody to miss out on this opportunity. All right. You're amazing, rock stars. We'll talk soon. Bye.